Hello, good morning. It's Friday. It's time to work out. So, ito yung workout ko kahit 3 times a week. Ginagawa ko to para iba sa kaupo natin. Nahuhulog na yung ating. So, ito yung magandang exercise para bumalik ang ating buti-buti. Let's watch. Okay? At ito ganyan lang. So, 1, 5, then, yan. Right, back, left, back, left. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan. 36 times. Okay? Let's do it. Pawis na pawis ako after noon kahit 36 times lang. It's good.